LOOM network cracks through the top 100 cryptos today, everybody. We can see trading at 0.22%. This coin is up 15% on the day, making Bitcoin look pretty boring right now. So we can see over the last 7 days, this coin's gone from 0.16 to 0.22 in price. It is now rank 100. So this coin is doing some pretty crazy stuff, and it's moving quite fast, as we can see. In terms of the overall volume that's coming through, we can see a lot of volume is coming through on Binance with $53.4 million worth. At the moment, LOOM currently stands at a $270 million market capitalization. Should this be a coin that should be included in your portfolio? Let's take a look at this together. We can see building an ecosystem. This is the LOOM Twitter page of 42.3k followers. Building an ecosystem of blockchains to sustain the next generation of DeFi protocols, NFTs, and high performance multi-chain dApps. So interoperability is at the forefront of their minds, as we can see. They joined in 2017, so one of the very first famous bull runs. This is the LOOM website, the production ready multi-chain interop platform for serious dApp developers. So it's aimed at developers, builders, quants, people that want to create something big in the crypto space. So this is the website. It does look quite colorful. I like how the graphics are. I think it's got some great looking imagery. And overall, you can click there, developers, start building, and it takes you through to the LOOM API right here. So LOOM, we can see, reaches new yearly high. The weekly time frame technical analysis shows that LOOM price broke out from a long-term descending resistance trend line at the beginning of October. The trend line had been in place for 950 days, guys. So here it is, LOOM. Now, what I can say from what I see is that it looks like there is a big bearish divergence forming. So that's where we see the increase of price here. As we can see that, an increase of price. We've got some major resistance levels, as we can see on the resistance trend line. A big area of resistance right now is, of course, $0.22. But on the contrary, we can see that we do have a bearish divergence, as we have the relative strength index inversely correlate. We've got the divergence, there's a bearish divergence. We've got one line going up, the price structure, and then we've got the RSI going down. So for that reason, I do forecast more likely to see a drop here in price, maybe down to 0.15, maybe even down a bit lower. It's hard to say exactly where the price could fall. If we get our fib resistance, Fibonacci retracement, the golden pocket is the 0.13 level. So do keep your eye on the 1.3, keep your eye also on the 1.68. So there's two key levels of support that we could see this token fall down to. If you are looking for a short position, then this could be where the price might fall down to. Alternatively, what if we see the bulls take over here? What if we actually see the bulls just go mental, even though we are seeing that sell-off wick here at the resistance trend line? Well, I mean, it's still possible to see a pump of some sort. But when I see a rising wedge pattern like this one, I do feel a bit bearish. Now, I'm not bearish on the project long term. I'm just bearish on the short term price analysis. I think it's been a really big rush, and I think it's moved very fast. And I don't know if we will see the buying pressure to sustain this. If we look just over the last, since 3 weeks ago, we're up by 2.5x. So this coin has been silently climbing in the markets, which is why I think we could be due a bearish reversal down to these lower price levels. Not saying it will happen, but it's a possibility. If you're a trader out there, you're busy, you got your hands tied by work and whatever else you get up to in your spare time, do consider becoming a Patreon. This will allow you to unlock over 600 trading signals per month. The Patreon page is down below in this video. Check it out in my comments and description section. You'll get spot trade signals, leverage trade signals, early access to pre-sales. You're going to get analysts providing you signals in the Discord, which is just down below. And just to give you an example of how these look, we can click on some. Here are some long, short entry positions. Here's another one. You're getting those trade positions. We've got Mark with the charts as well, which looks really good. Offender, another one putting in the entry points, the stop losses, the take profit zones 1 and 2, all that juicy stuff. So if you want signals, please do join down below in the Discord. Sign up as a patron if you want to, but you can also join the Discord for free as well if you wish. Additionally, the markets are looking a little bit rocky at the moment. We're sitting at 40 on the crypto fear and greed index chart. So we are seeing a bit more fear sort of surge in the markets. We're seeing the conjurance here of fear in the market. So retailers were a bit confused, but I think with the Palestinian war, Israel, and all that horrible things that is going on in the background right now, people have shifted their focus, and wars are never good for cryptocurrency or any sort of S&P 500 stocks and stuff like that. Overall, looking at crypto, we're not seeing too many harsh drops. Loom is the one in the limelight right now, so Loom is looking like a promising project. I do think it's possible to see this coin potentially 10x by the next crypto bull, and it has got a low market capitalization. If we go back here to the market cap and go on all, we can see, well, actually once upon a time we set a $392 million market capitalization in 2018, and it never really returned. It didn't really return there. Even in 2021 it only got to 255 million. So I think this is interesting. We might see a major all-time high for this token, even break through $1 billion mark, which could be really, really good. Now, if you're also a high risk, high reward trader, or you like pre-sales, the Bitcoin Mind Tricks pre-sale is one that is turning heads at the moment. 3 days, 20 hours until the price goes up again. Bitcoin Mind Tricks are tokenizing cloud mining, where you can effectively stake to mine and mine Bitcoin without the need of all that fancy hardware and electrical costs. So it's a pre-sale, which means the coin has not yet launched. One Bitcoin Mind Tricks token is $0.011. So if you're looking for a new coin to potentially get into before it reaches public sale, I've got a link down below for Bitcoin Mind Tricks, and you need a MetaMask or Trust Wallet to buy this token with. You can see they have some fantastic staking rewards, 525% right now, which looks pretty juicy. So yeah, fingers crossed we can see a 3, 4 or 5x for this token. That's my honest prediction. I do think we could see a good bit of price movement for this coin. Remember, the link is down below, but this is not financial advice. And guys, if you're looking to trade the upcoming volatility, make sure you sign up to MEXC Leverage and Futures Exchange, which I've got listed down below as well. Why? No KYC, global access, tiny fees, and some big bonuses are waiting for you guys. So if you do sign up, you could be eligible to grab some rewards by depositing into the account when you use my link that is down below. Now, I just want to say thanks everyone for watching this video. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button, like and comment, and hopefully I'll see you lovely people very, very soon. Thanks for watching, and let's keep our eyes on the Loom network. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Peace.